Many beginners believe that options are incredibly complicated, yet the truth is surprisingly straightforward and clear. At their core, these are simply contracts that grant you the right to buy or sell. You can trade a stock at a specific price, provided it happens within a set time frame. By stripping away the intimidating jargon, we can focus entirely on the essential mechanics of the trade. These mechanics revolve around two primary instruments, the call option and the put option, respectively. A call option serves as your primary tool when you expect a stock price to rise. Conversely, a put option is the inverse, used specifically when you anticipate a decline in value. Using clear examples, such as a stock priced at $100, we can visualize everything. We can see how these contracts gain value as market conditions shift in your favor daily. It is absolutely crucial to remember that you do not actually own the underlying stock itself. This distinction fundamentally changes the nature of your investment compared to buying shares of stock. This foundational knowledge is the first step toward moving beyond confusion and finding true clarity. You are beginning to understand how these powerful financial instruments function in the real world. Options are not magic, but they are precise tools for navigating the complexities of modern markets. When you buy a call, you are essentially betting that the market will move upward. When you buy a put, you are positioning yourself to profit from a downward market trend. The time frame is the ticking clock that defines the lifespan of every single option contract. If the price does not move as you expected within that window, the contract expires. This creates a unique dynamic where timing becomes just as important as the price direction. Imagine a stock at $100. A call option gives you leverage over that. You control the shares without needing the full capital required to purchase the stock outright. This leverage is exactly what makes options so attractive to traders seeking efficient capital use. However, this same leverage means that your potential gains and losses are magnified significantly today. Understanding this balance is the key to moving from a beginner to a competent trader. Do not let the complex terminology distract you from the simple reality of these contracts. A contract is just a legal agreement between two parties to exchange assets at prices. The price is predetermined, and the date is set in stone from the very beginning. This certainty allows you to plan your trades with a clear view of your risk. As you watch the price of the stock fluctuate, the value of your option changes. This movement is what creates the opportunity for profit or the risk of loss here. You are not buying the company, you are buying the right to trade its stock. This is a subtle but vital difference that every serious investor must fully grasp today. Options allow you to express your opinion on the market with a very specific structure. Whether you are bullish or bearish, there is an option strategy designed for your view. Focusing on the basics ensures that you do not get lost in the noise later. Keep your eyes on the price, the time frame, and the direction of the underlying stock. These three variables are the building blocks of every successful options trade you will make. Once you master these, the rest of the financial world begins to make sense quickly. You are building a foundation that will serve you throughout your entire investing career ahead. Confidence comes from knowing exactly what you own and why you own it right now. Let us continue to peel back the layers of this fascinating and rewarding financial world. The path to mastery is paved with simple concepts applied with consistency and great discipline. You have already taken the most important step by choosing to learn the truth today. The market is waiting, and you are now better prepared to engage with it effectively. Remember that every expert was once a beginner who decided to study the core mechanics. By keeping things simple, you avoid the traps that catch many inexperienced traders every year. Stay focused on the mechanics, and the results will eventually follow your disciplined efforts daily. The journey of 1,000 trades begins with understanding the humble call and put options. You are now ready to move forward with a clear understanding of these essential tools. The complexity of the market is an illusion that fades when you apply simple logic. Keep practicing these concepts until they become second nature to your daily trading routine now. Your financial future is in your hands, and you are gaining the skills needed today. The world of options is vast, but it is built upon these very simple foundations. Never underestimate the power of a solid understanding of the basics in any financial endeavor. You are well on your way to becoming a more confident and informed market participant. The simplicity of these contracts is your greatest asset in a volatile and changing market. Trust the process, stay disciplined, and keep your strategy aligned with your long-term financial goals. You have the tools. Now you must apply them with patience and a clear mind. The path forward is clear, and the opportunities in the market are waiting for you. Let us prepare to apply these foundational concepts to real-world strategies in the next lesson. With the foundational mechanics of calls and puts now clear, you must understand their true purpose. Investors utilize these versatile contracts for speculation, steady income generation, or hedging against potential market losses. Speculation allows you to bet on price movements, while income strategies provide consistent cash flow potential. Hedging serves as a vital insurance policy, protecting your existing portfolio from sudden, sharp market downturns. However, this immense financial power comes with significant responsibility that every serious trader must acknowledge today. Options carry inherent risks that can lead to losing 100% of your initial investment. This total loss occurs if these contracts are not managed correctly within a volatile market environment. You must treat these instruments with the respect they demand to avoid unnecessary financial hardship daily. This is exactly why simplicity remains your best defense against the unpredictable nature of market volatility. By keeping your strategy focused on the core concept that calls represent anticipated upward price movement and puts represent anticipated downward price movement, you build a solid base for your financial journey. Maintaining this disciplined focus prevents you from falling into the trap of overly complex trading systems. Complexity often obscures the truth, leading to mistakes that can be avoided with a clear mind. Now that you possess this essential foundation, the next logical step is applying these core concepts. You must learn how to implement these ideas through proven, simple, and highly effective trading strategies. I invite you to watch the next video in our series to continue your educational progress. We will dive deep into actionable methods to start making money with options in real time. These methods are designed to ensure you continue your path toward becoming a more confident investor. Being an informed investor is the only way to navigate the complexities of the modern market. Your journey into the world of options is just beginning with these fundamental and powerful tools. Always remember that knowledge is the primary currency when dealing with these complex financial derivative instruments. Stay focused on the simple mechanics, and you will find clarity amidst the noise of trading. We look forward to guiding you through the practical application of these strategies in the future. Prepare yourself for the next lesson, where theory meets the reality of the open stock market. The path to financial confidence is paved with consistent learning and a commitment to simple strategies. Let us move forward together as we explore the mechanics of profit and risk management techniques. Your dedication to mastering these basics will pay dividends in your long-term investment, success, and growth. Keep your eyes on the core principles and do not let market noise distract your focus. The simplicity of the call and the put is your greatest asset in this financial landscape. We will break down every actionable method to ensure you understand the mechanics of every trade. Confidence comes from understanding the risks and rewards inherent in every single option contract you hold. This series is crafted to build your expertise from the ground up with absolute, clear precision. Join us in the next segment to unlock the potential of your growing financial trading portfolio. The journey toward becoming a truly informed investor is a marathon, not a quick, reckless sprint. Every trade you execute should be backed by a clear understanding of your specific financial goals. Do not rush into positions without first assessing the potential for both profit and significant loss. The market rewards those who remain patient and disciplined in their approach to every single contract. As we transition to the next phase, keep these fundamental concepts at the forefront of mind. Understanding the relationship between time and price is essential for any successful options trader today. We will explore how time decay affects your positions and how to manage that specific risk. This upcoming lesson will bridge the gap between simple theory and actual profitable market execution strategies. Prepare your notes and get ready to apply these concepts in a simulated or real environment. The market is waiting for those who are prepared to act with knowledge and strategic intent. Your commitment to learning these basics is the first step toward achieving true financial market independence. We are excited to show you how these simple tools can transform your entire trading approach. Stay tuned for the next video, where we reveal the secrets to consistent, simple option gains. It is time to take your trading skills to the next level with our proven methods. Remember that every expert was once a beginner who simply refused to give up on learning. You have the potential to master these instruments if you maintain your focus and discipline daily. The next video is designed to be the most practical lesson you have ever watched online. We will strip away the confusion and leave you with only the most essential trading knowledge. Prepare to see the market through a lens of clarity, precision, and newfound financial strategic power. Your future self will thank you for the time you invest in mastering these critical skills. Let us continue this journey together and unlock the full potential of your trading account today. Every minute spent learning is a minute invested in your long-term financial freedom and success. The upcoming strategy is simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for experienced market participants alike. Do not miss the opportunity to see these concepts in action during our next detailed breakdown. We are building a community of traders who value simplicity, logic, and consistent, long-term growth results. Click the link to the next video and start your journey toward becoming a master trader. We will see you there, ready to dive into the mechanics of your next successful trade.